Speaking of our TLT trade that we've been talking about for the last handful of weeks, we see yields rolling over, which is very, very constructive. We see dollar now finally letting up after a few weeks of a counter trend strength. And this is going to be do well for our emerging market theme. Here's the 10-year yield rolling back over. Faked a lot of people out here. This is counter trend. The peak was put in October of 2023. If you remember, we were pounding the table in September. It took us like 4 to 6 weeks. Every week we're like, look, I'm telling you, it's too crowded. This thing's going to reverse. It reversed like aggressively, and we got that monster, unbelievable year-end rally where everything in our portfolio just went bananas from October through January, Feb. And then you got this little counter trend move in the 10-year yield, and now it's rolling back over. Same thing with the US dollar, peaked in that October 2022. If you remember when we were buying tech and China got that monster rally. And then now you got this little counter trend and it's rolling back over. This is what we want to see, the dollar re-weakening. This is fantastic.